Plastic Model Builders. Hello, it is I, Ari Stone with Plastic Model Builder. This is part 4 of our Tamiya Grumman F-14D Tomcat in 1/48 scale. We are going to be assembling the wheels as you just saw, painting landing lights, which we are doing right now with translucent colors, red, orange, and green. You will see those going on. I'm using a little metal tool there just to get the translucent paint on and putting that down. We're also going to be assembling the landing gear and the landing gear doors and painting all that. It's a fun, wonderful process. With model making madness, we're going to make everything look pretty. So watch along with us so you can learn how to build the landing gear and paint them for the F-14D Tomcat from Tamiya in 1/48 scale. So I've already painted these landing lights. I am now going around painting white around everything, which you just saw. I am going to assemble the landing gear. This is for the front landing gear right now. So we will assemble all of these little details and the parts and get them painted a wonderful white color and make sure the landing gear doors look good as well. So we are attaching all these small little parts. Right here, this is the front landing gear. We've got our pistons and hydraulics on those already. Painting the miscellaneous parts, putting them on, is a fun task for this model. There's a lot of small little parts, so just take your time and go easy with everything. You see how these are going on? We've got this little canister right here that goes right there. Glue that down. You'll see how this all goes together. When we paint these, we are going to do them in light coats of white. Now you see what that looks like there. This goes right on the front, and that's why that's masked off like that for when we paint everything. And that's the reason I hand painted that. It was just easier. This is now the rear landing gear. We assembled that in a previous video, and this is the other side. That way you can see that in case you missed it in the other video. So you've got your pistons there, the actuators, the hinges, all that good stuff. You see how they kind of go together like a pin and a box. Then you have all your other miscellaneous parts. You see that going on there. More actuators. We'll have to paint those as well. We will do that in this video later on, so stick around so you can see how I do that. You've got that actuator right there. More wonderful parts that go onto this for the landing gear. They're big and they're bulky on the F-14. This is the rear gear. You can see what this looks like there. Got some springs going on. This is a wonderfully designed kit. This is the only flaw right here. You have to cut that piece out like that. Why they did that, I don't know, but they have their reasons. Some of these gear come in two pieces, a top and a bottom, like you see here. It may be easier to paint the red on those first and then assemble the bottoms to the tops. That's not how I did that. We have a little sticker here. Put the sticker on and then place this antenna probe, which the probe actually gets cut off later down the line. Right here we have our hinges going onto the rear landing gear. Mentioning that probe, you will see me cut that off and it needs to be sanded down a little later on. So what we have here is assembling the housing for the camera and some of the guidance systems. That goes on the front of the F-14. Two little panels right there. See how those go? Fit together perfectly like that. Going to put on a probe right there. I already painted it, but I'm going to paint over it and then repaint it again so you don't see me painting it. Now I am painting that housing, the fuselage color for the particular model of aircraft that I'm going to do. This right here is the rear landing gear wheels. We're going to paint those as well as doing the hubs later on in this video. It's a flat black color that I'm using. Rubber black, I believe, because it does look very good. You see me painting it on right there, just slowly going around. I will also do the front landing gear. Two small wheels for the front. There's one of those right there. You can tell they are a bit smaller. I've got the toothpick, so I could do two at one time, and just rotating the front and the backs. Very simple process. That is true model making madness, by the way. To think of stuff like that just makes it easier. I painted everything black, and I will go through and paint it again. So now we are painting the white coat. I spray multiple light colors just to slowly bring out the depth. White is a hard color to paint. You go too thick, it tends to run. We don't want to do that here. We just want to slowly coat it over and over again. It's a process. It takes time. We want to make this look good, so we just go slow with it. That's part of the front landing gear right there. This is rear landing gear doors right here, and you see that has the actuator on there. Also going to be painting the chrome for the actuators later on. You see me doing this right here for the rear landing gear again. That's a thicker coat right there. Same thing with the hubs. You see me getting all around them. If you make a mistake, you can correct it with some weathering. They're just tires and hubs. It's okay. You see how I'm going around just putting a coat of paint on them. And these look wonderful once it's all said and done. You see me getting nice coats on there. Just like that. And here's a second coat. Turns out pretty. Look at that. It's a deep color because it's undercoated with black. So we are painting the hydraulic piston rods. There are multiple rods all over the place, so be careful. This is a long one that is on the front of the aircraft right here, the front landing gear. Carefully go around. Don't get the white paint anywhere. This is how I did mine. Maybe you have a better way of painting yours and devising a way. Now I am cutting off that antenna just like I said, and we are going to sand it down so it looks good. There is a small hydraulic piston rod right there. An even smaller one we will paint, which are on the sides. A couple of those. You will get to see all of those. You see how that turned out? Using just a silver type of color, hand painting, as you can see. Using my little brush there to get in between that little area there. And there's another one, just like so. A lot of piston rods that need to be done. And then of course this, not sure what they are, it's part of the plane. I'm using that little nail tool that I have. It's called a nail tool because it's for fingernails. And I have a little silver paint on there, just lightly going around, and you can see the paint. That way you don't get it everywhere. If you do have too much paint on there, it might drip down, you might make a boo-boo. And that's okay. We make boo-boos, we can correct boo-boos. There's one more piston rod right there on the rear landing gear hydraulic system. Just go around and get both of those on each one. And after these are done, we're going to use a enamel pen that half works and half doesn't. And we're going to paint the red warning paint around the landing gear doors. That's important. It's on the F-14, clearly marked out in pictures. So here you go. If it doesn't work, get some red paint out of it on the side and just dip it in there. These things can be stubborn at times. Mine was being stubborn, but it's an easy way to do this. It's a lovely red rouge color from a paint pen that I have. It is enamel. It will go over acrylic paint, which is what I used on the base coat. That is white. Go over all your landing gear doors. That was one of the rear doors. Here's another one of the rear doors. Basically, it's all the edges get this red color. Just like that. Just go slow. Take your time. Make these look pretty as well. If you did like my videos, remember, subscribe, comment, and like to them. We also do live chats every time we do a premiere for a new video, so come chat with me. I love to chat with people. It's always fun, and if I'm not there, I'm not there, but I try to be. Life takes over at times, even for our own videos. So here you go. That is a front landing gear door, getting that painted as well. Like I said, a slow process. You see me dipping the paint on the side there, and then getting it onto the part, just like I'm doing. It may bleed over through the sides, but you can always get it off and repaint it or do whatever. We have happy little accidents when we paint models. Some of them turn out to be good, some of them turn out to be bad. I have good ones and bad ones while I build this model, and some of them just got left because I'm like, it's my model and nobody sees it but myself. So you see, going over the leftover bits there, there's another rear landing gear door. You see how that goes. Just make sure you get everything good. Might take a couple of swipes of this pen just to get it into the cracks there, because it is kind of grooved a little bit. The pen might not fit quite perfectly, and that's okay. This is how you put it on. Nice and easy. Going all around the doors, and then we have one more door left, which will be the front. So again, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like to my channel. I would appreciate it. Join us for our live premieres. And as always, until next time, see ya.